In today's Roblox Studio tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a hole in Roblox Studio. This is perfect for things like caves, traps, tunnels, or secret rooms. First, open Roblox Studio and load the place you want to work on, or start with a new battleplot. To make a hole, we need at least two parts. One will be the main block, and the other will be the part that cuts the hole. Go to the Model tab, click Part, and insert a block. Now insert another part. Resize and position this second part where you want the hole to be. This part will act like a cutter. Select the part that will cut the hole. Go to the Model tab and click Negate. You'll notice the part turns transparent with a grid pattern. Now select both the main block and the negated part. You can hold Shift key while clicking. Click Union in the Model tab. Once you do that, the hole is created. You can now move, resize, or duplicate the object. If the hole doesn't look right, just undo and adjust the negated part. And that's how you make a hole in Roblox Studio.